Organic toothpaste. Brushing your teeth is an important habit to get into and one that's very good for you. Of course, brushing your teeth is a great way to kill bacteria in your mouth that can otherwise cause bad breath, halitosis, and also damage the enamel of your teeth and your gums. Moreover, cleaning your teeth is not just important for your oral hygiene, it's also important for your overall health. That's because your mouth is the #1 entry point for any bacteria that might cause disease to get inside your body and make you ill. But have you ever stopped to question exactly what it is that you're putting into your mouth? Because unfortunately, not all toothpaste is made equal. And if you're not using organic toothpaste, chances are that you're actually causing a bit of damage to yourself as well. That's because your average, store-bought toothpaste actually includes a number of harmful ingredients. In fact, the key ingredient in most toothpastes is fluoride, and even that is bad for you. Consider switching to organic toothpaste then and use this post as your guide to doing so. Downsides of non-organic toothpaste. The key ingredient in most toothpastes is fluoride. This substance, which is also added to our water, is actually made by extracting it from airborne industrial waste given off by fertilizer manufacturers. Not only that, but fluoride is actually neurotoxic. That means it can cause damage to your nervous system, aka your brain. There are more issues with non-organic toothpaste too. For example, a lot of them include SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, which is used to make toothpaste foam. It's actually a skin irritant for many people. Then there's saccharin. You may have heard of saccharin because it is actually a natural form of sweetener. It has been shown to cause cancer in lab rats, and it can also upset natural blood sugar levels, causing food carvings and other issues. And then there's the fact that a lot of toothpastes, particularly whitening toothpastes, can actually damage the enamel of the teeth and even corrode the gums. This is simply because the ingredients used are too potent and may therefore cause more damage than good. Again, this is particularly true for young children who really don't need strong chemicals applied to their teeth. In fact, avoiding using commercial toothpastes can actually ensure that a child's adult teeth will come through looking a lot whiter and a lot stronger. Organic toothpaste ingredients. Thankfully, there are a ton of great organic toothpaste ingredients that you can use instead of fluoride. You can then either buy products that use these ingredients instead, or you can try to create your own organic toothpaste or organic mouthwash using them. Some of the best toothpaste ingredients include 1. Neem is an incredible ingredient with a lot of promising evidence surrounding it. It has even been suggested to outperform traditional dental products for reducing the amount of plaque. Other studies show that it is highly effective at combating gingivitis. It's extracted from a type of leaf and is entirely natural, making it a perfect alternative to fluoride if you're trying to make your own natural, organic toothpaste. 2. Coconut oil. Another popular option is coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil is useful for just about everything it would seem, and it is certainly going to be your best friend when it comes to living an organic lifestyle. Coconut oil can be used to help thicken the product you make, and it will also help to nourish the mouth and also reduce the growth of bacteria. But you can also use coconut oil, or any other oil for that matter, another way. The practice of oil pulling dates back a long way and has been used for centuries to kill bacteria and improve the whiteness of teeth. It's a great, natural way to really improve your dental health. 3. Oregano oil. As mentioned, any oil can be used for oil pulling, but there are also a wide range of other good oils you can use specifically in toothpaste recipes. These include oregano oil, which also has great analgesic qualities. This means it can be used to reduce pain and discomfort, and it's also great at fighting swelling and other problems. Buying the best organic toothpaste. Most people though will probably just want to buy ready-made organic toothpaste. This can save a lot of time and it ensures you should be getting a good product. The only challenge is finding the right organic mouthwash or toothpaste, which is where we come in. If you choose to look yourself, then just make sure to only consider products that list their ingredients. Not all toothpastes do, they don't have to, but you should consider this a warning sign when they do not.